Welcome to Learning Artifacts. Today I will cover ancient Indian history with all important years, inscriptions, archaeology, value addition, PYQs in the easiest exam smart way. Let's begin. Part 1 Prehistoric India Paleolithic 2 million 10,000 BCE Hunter-gatherers, cave shelters, crude tools. Sites Bhimbetka, rock art, Attirampakkam, oldest stone tools, Kurnool caves, fire evidence. Value addition Bhimbetka is a UNESCO heritage site. Rock art shows continuity from Paleolithic to medieval. Mesolithic 10,000 6,000 BCE microliths, tiny stone blades. Semi-sedentary life. Sites Baga, Rajasthan, Langhanaj, Gujarat. Value addition first evidence of animal domestication in India. Neolithic 7000 se 2000 BCE agriculture begins. Permanent settlements. Sites Mehergarh 7000 BCE Barzahom, pit dwellings Gufkril. Inscription connection. Note: prehistory has no inscriptions, only material remains. Tell your viewers this clearly. Prehistory no writing, only archaeology. Part 2 Indus Valley Civilization 3300 से 1300 BCE. Key features: urban planning, drainage, grid layouts. Major sites and special features. Site feature Mohenjo-daro Great Bath, Granary Harappa Granary, collegiate buildings Dholavira signboard with Harappan script, water conservation Lothal dockyard Kalibangan fire altars, ploughed field Rakhigdi largest IBC site. Inscription angle Harappan script remains undeciphered. Written on seals, copper tablets, pottery. Has around 400 symbols. Lightly logo-syllabic. Value addition means IVC was an urban civilization without iron, kings or temples. This makes it globally unique. Part 3 Vedic Age 1500-600 BCE, Early Vedic 1500 से 1000 BCE, Nomadic, cattle economy. Rigveda composed, oldest Indo-European text. Political units Jana Gramakula. Later Vedic 1000-600 BCE, iron use expands agriculture. Painted grey ware, PGW, culture. Emergence of Janpadas. Inscription plus text angle no stone inscriptions yet. Knowledge comes from Rigveda Sanhitas Brahmans Aranyakas Upanishads. Value addition. Rigveda mentions no iron, no big kingdoms, and a non-rigid social structure. Part 4 Mahajanapdas, Buddhism and Jainism. Mahajanapdas 600-300 BCE, 16 states, Magad becomes dominant. Inscription angle. Earliest Brahmi inscriptional evidence comes slightly later, mainly from Mauryans. But archaeologically, northern black polished ware, NBPW, marks the era. Buddhism Buddha 563-483 BCE. 4 pilgrimage sites Lumbini, Bodh Gaya, Sarnath, Kushinagar. Inscriptions related to Buddhism 8. Ashokan Rummindei pillar inscription marks Buddha's birthplace. Nigli Sagar inscription enlarging the stupa of Kankamuni Buddha. Sarnath edict mentions Dhamma principles. Jainism Mahavir 599-527 BCE. Teachings preserved in Agamas. Inscriptions related to Jainism. Hathi Gumfa inscription, Kharvela, mentions Jaina monks. Mathura inscriptions, early Jaina sects.